Hello and welcome to today's video. This is just a little quick update of what's going on with the boat build. As you can see, it is a bit covered up. Welcome to autumn. So what's been happening with the build? Little bits and bobs have been happening, but not too much. One, it's a nice sunny day today, but the weather has been atrocious. Two, we're still waiting for a couple of bits and bobs to turn up, but hopefully in the next week or so they will do. And also, we've all got busy jobs and lives which are getting in the way. I wish we didn't, but facts are facts. Anyway, I've got a question. So this week's question is seating. We have decided to go for side-by-side jockey seats behind the console and then a bench seat at the rear. There's a possibility we may have one more row of jockey seats in the middle, but for now we're only going for the two to see how much room we've got, plus we can always add seats afterwards. The question is, where are we going to get them from? Well, here are the options. First things first, we are starting at the higher end of the price range, and we're talking suspension seats from all sorts, specifically their pedestal X4 seat. Now these are a serious contender, however, like mentioned before, they are in the higher price bracket, and it's whether we can actually stretch to that. But I still want to know if you have had any experience with these seats, whether they are any good, whether they are long lasting. I'd just like to know, so please comment below. Number two, we have also been speaking to Ribworld, i.e. Humber, about their jockey seats and bench seats. Now, to be honest, I love the look of the jockey seats. They look very sturdy, and they've also got nice wing backs and nice side cupboards as well, which obviously you can see on the picture right now. And these are a real serious contender. Just the look we're going for. So yeah, anybody else use these? Let us know. And last but not least, we are looking at the bench seat from Plancraft. Now the picture you see is white with black upholstery. We will be going for all black, that's the only difference. But it does look a good seat. Again, if you have any information about it, if you've got one yourself or if you sat on one, please let us know what you think in the comments below. So, future plans, what's happening and when? In the near future, i.e. tonight, Dan is dropping off the engine bracket, which can then be installed, and then the deck itself can go on. So that'll be a lot of screwing and a lot of fiberglassing. So look forward to that one, won't you? After that, everything else can start to evolve. We then start on the actual bottom of the hull, where we do a little bit of fiberglassing on that and get it painted. I think, in my heart, we are going grey. That's what I'm thinking, grey. I know some of you guys have said orange. Good choice. But I'm thinking go original grey. You know, keep it a little bit authentic. But my mind could change. Always tell me what you're thinking. And I think that this is it for this video. Plenty of choices to make. Plenty of decisions to think about. For both me and you. But always, we like your input. Also, start a new t-shirt. If you would like one, comment below. I'll see what I can do to get some ordered and maybe put them on the website. It could just be enough to persuade me to have suspension seats. But I'd have to sell more than 2 or 3. We will see, but thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, whatever. and we will see you in the next one. Please answer all my questions down below. Tell me what you think, and yeah, get the community talking. Bye for now.